Okay, I got the steering wheel mounted, brake switch mounted, brake light switch. Don't have the dash in yet, of course not. Bent piece of 1-inch square tubing to match the curve in this. Tack that in. Works great, no problem. Looks kind of funny stuck way back there from the dash, but the seat's gonna be way back because your legs are stretched out, so you need more leg room. So that's what we got. Got the, I don't know if you can even see it, brake light switch. Anyway, it's on there. Thanks to Rocker Pat, give me the idea. Appreciate you, Rocker. Yep, that's it down there. Yeah, we looking good. All this is pretty much done. Good and sturdy, it ain't going nowhere. Unless you're getting a wreck, then if you're getting a wreck, who cares? Yep. I think the next thing I'm gonna do, well, it's cloudy, hot, muggy. I'm sitting here soaking wet with sweat and ain't done much of nothing. Pulled a muscle in my back yesterday, so my back's killing me. So I'm probably gonna take the rest of the day off. Next thing I'm gonna do is get the motor transmission back in and get that tunnel, drive shaft transmission tunnel made all the way to the back, so I can finish the floorboard in the car. Finish building all this up in here. So that ought to be fun. I got this gas tank in too. Need to mount the gas tank back there. Yeah, got the gas tank. It's in the living room in the house. Been here a few days actually. You digging it, Red? Ha! I'm digging it, boy! Okay, we're moving right along. Appreciate you.